Once upon a time, there were a group of water fairies that lived in Lake Burrabai. They were happy and kind and never did any harm to anyone. However, the evil queen ruled the kingdom, and she was unhappy and mean. She didn't like the water fairies because they were so happy all the time. The fairies were safe from her as long as they stayed in the water, but they liked to play on the lake shore at night and dance under the moonlight. One day, the queen heard about this, and she went to the lake and hid behind a tree. When she saw the water fairies come out of the water and start dancing, she became very jealous because they were so beautiful and such good dancers. She jumped out from behind the tree, waved her wand, and put a spell on them. They froze on the spot and turned into a grove of white birch trees.